Hi, my name is Kaya. And this is my human, Oksana, my owner and my personal camera operator. Our whole family moved to live in Turkey. The Turkish lifestyle suits us perfectly. Warm weather, the sea, the mountains, and beautiful sunsets. I swim, I chase seagulls. We feed ducks and geese. People recognize me on the promenade, and I pretend it's just an ordinary Thursday. Long story short, we've adapted perfectly. Every day, I inspect the beach. And when you see Oksana alone in the frame, just know I gave her a minute of fame so she can feel like a star too. Living my best life.